Hello everyone. Today we are going to see an expression whose minimum value we need to find out. The special thing is we are going to find out the minimum value without calculus. In a school standard we are going to find out the minimum value. I hope you will enjoy this method. Okay. So now let us see the question. There is a expression under square roots. Here there is an expression in square roots, here also and here also there is a expression. Okay, to find out the minimum value of this expression, I want to take a comma b value as greater than 0. Okay, so I will show you why I want to take a comma b greater than 0. So for that, let us take the graphs of this a square minus 12a plus 40 and b square plus b square minus 8b plus 20. Okay, let us see their graphs here. Here I have the graph of two expressions. This is the graph, here this is a graph of a square minus 12a plus 40. This is the graph of a square, sorry, it is b square. It is b square minus 8b plus 20. Okay, so these are the graphs. Here in this graph, from a equals to 6, from a equal to 6, if you increase the value of a, the value of the expression is increasing. Okay, if you decrease the value of a from 6, also it is increasing. But to find out the minimum value, I want to take the value of a from 0 to 6. Nothing but I am going to consider only this curve. That's what I am going to take a value greater than 0 and less than 6. In the same way, here also, if you take b value 4, you will get the minimum value of that expression. If you take b value more than 4, the value of expression is going to increase. If you take the value of b less than 4, also it is increasing. But to find out the minimum value of the given expression, I wanted to take this portion, this curve I want to take. Therefore here I am taking b value from 0 to 4. Nothing but b value is lying between 0 and 4. So from this you can understand why I am going to take a comma b value as positive. Okay, so from these graphs I wanted to conclude the range of a here. Okay, so what I am taking a value, what I am taking here, a value more than 0 and less than 6, and b value more than 0 and less than 4 I am taking. Okay, so this is what you should remember. Now let us write this expression as root of a minus 6 whole square plus 2 square. The second expression, square root of a square plus b square, we are writing as it is, no change. The last expression we are writing as b minus 4 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, so here you have three expressions and their sum is to be minimized. For this, let us observe this one and use a right angle triangle. I will show you how I am going to use right angle triangle here. I am going to use a right angle triangle here. Okay, so I am going to take here a minus 6 and here it is 2. Therefore this is going to be a minus 6 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, since a value, here a value we are taking more than 0 and less than 6, I wanted to take this a minus 6 as 6 minus a. Okay, now let us take the second expression. For this also I am going to take a right angle triangle and that must be added to the previous right triangle. Therefore I am taking a right angle triangle like this. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, here I am taking A, here I am taking B, therefore this is going to be a square plus b square. So next, the next right angle triangle, for this also I am going to take a right angle triangle. That right angle triangle I am going to take like this. That is here b minus 4. Here I am taking this one b minus 4. Since b is more than 0 and less than 4, this b minus 4 I am taking as 4 minus b, and this one I am taking as 2. Therefore, it will become b minus 4 whole square plus 2 square you will get. Okay. So here we have attached one right angle to the another right triangle, and we need to find out the minimum value of sum of these lengths. We are going to find out the minimum value of sum of these lengths. To find out the minimum value of sum of that lengths, those three lengths must be on a straight line. If these three lengths are on the same straight line, you will get the minimum value. Okay, so for that I am going to construct the figure in a different way. So let us observe a different construction here that will give you the minimum value now. See here, I am going to take a right angle triangle here, where I am taking here 6 minus a, this is 2, and this is going to be a minus 6 whole square plus 2 square. Here I am going to take another right triangle, okay, that is I am taking here a and here b, and this is going to be a square plus b square. Okay, I am going to take another right triangle here, where I am taking here 2 and here b minus 4 I am going to take here. B minus 4 we are writing as 4 minus b. Okay, so like this I am taking, so that this will become b minus 4 whole square plus 2 square it will come. So if you observe the sum of these expressions, we need to find out here. We need to find out the minimum value of that. That's what I am taking on a straight line. So here it is going to be 90 degrees, and if you finish the figure, like this, and you can understand this is going to be 2, and this is going to be a, this is going to be 2, and this is going to be b, and this is 4 minus b. Okay, already here we have 4 minus b, and you see, you can understand this total value is 6, and this total value it is 8, because a getting cancelled, here b getting cancelled. Okay, this is 6 and this is 8, and the value of this length is going to be 10 by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the minimum value of this given expression is going to be 10. Okay, so you may get a doubt that why we should take 6 minus a here and 2 here, and we can take 2 here and 6 minus a here, and why we should take here 4 minus b here and 2 there. We can take 2 here and 4 minus b here. If you take like that, you will not get the minimum value. Those calculations you can check by taking different values of a between 0 and 6 and b values between 0 and 4. It will increase the value of the given expression. That's what I have taken in that way to get the minimum value as 10. I hope you have enjoyed this method. Thank you for watching this video.